Go.
Maganda ba siya? Marketing sa amin.
Okay na go.
Ako UST.
Go.
Espanya.
Ganyan ba talaga dapat pwesto niya?
Number 1. What stopped the motion of the doll without a seatbelt when the cart crashed was stopped? The doll motion was stopped by the collision with the wood block table edge because the inertia carried it forward after the cart stopped. Number 2. Was there any difference for the doll with a seatbelt? Yes, the doll with a seatbelt stayed in the cart because the seatbelt applied a force that stopped its motion, preventing it from being thrown forward. These experiments helped me understand how inertia affects motion. The doll without the seatbelt kept moving forward when the cart stopped, while the seatbelt prevent the other doll from being thrown forward. It shows how important seatbelts are in stopping motion and ensuring safety during sudden stop or collisions.